Bagamat gumugulong na ang investigasyon sa pagkamatay ni Rene Baterbonia at Divine Adili, dismayado pa rin ang ilang estudyante ng Ateneo de Manila University. Alamin kung bakit sa agenda report ni Remus Macasero.
Naglabas ng matinding hinanakit ang ilang Atenista dahil sa patuloy na pananahimik umano ng kanilang administrasyon sa pagkamatay ni Divine Adili at Rene Baterbonia. Tumatambad raw sa kanilang komunidad ang kawalan ng malinaw na aksyon tungkol sa trahedyang naganap sa Aurora.
For them to take this long feels like a red flag. Personally, I do feel disappointed, especially as a student, because the administration, of course, is supposed to take care of their students. And I think the resignation of the Baldwin and the other coach is proper naman, right? But I do feel like the school administration could have still done measures, especially earlier, and preventative measures as well.
Gumulong na ang mga investigasyon ng NBI at CIDG. Pero para sa ilang estudyante, tila left in the dark sila ng sarili nilang pamantasan.
This definitely could have been avoided. These kids are traumatized. They're also kids, and I think people have to understand that, but rather it's something that has to do with negligence. The adults should have been able to prevent this. All people, I guess, related who were left in the dark, they should have been able to speak up on the issue sooner. And I think if Ateneo wants to at least, other than, let's say, banning the staff and removing Coach Baldwin, they should also find a way, I guess, to come back from that silence, because people are really upset and confused about that.
Nananawagan ngayon ang mga Atenista ng transparency sa investigasyon at hustisya para sa dalawang nasawing atleta. Managot din daw ang mga dapat managot. Para sa agenda, Remus Macasero, Billionaire News Channel.
Mag-follow sa aming mga social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa pinakahuli at eksklusibong mga balita.